Have you ever wondered how Bitcoin actually works, or what this blockchain thing that everyone keeps talking about works? If you have heard people say everything runs on the blockchain and thought, okay, what does that mean? You are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to explain blockchain in the simplest way possible, in that by the end of the video, you can explain blockchain to your friends like a pro. Hi everyone, I'm Antoniette and I've been in the crypto space since 2019. I've also been privileged to work with leading exchanges like Mex Global and Bitget Global as a community builder, helping thousands of people get started and profit in the crypto space safely. And now here on Crypto with Antoniette, I break down everything in the simplest way possible for anyone starting out. Whether you are trying to learn how crypto works, how to buy your first crypto, or how to stay safe in the space, I've got you covered. So make sure to subscribe because we are making crypto make sense one lesson at a time. Alright, let's start simple. The word blockchain sounds fancy, but at its core, it's just a chain of blocks, literally. Imagine a notebook that everyone can see but nobody can erase. Every page in that notebook is a block. And every page is filled with records of transactions, like who sent what to whom. And once a page is full, it's sealed. And a new one is added to the chain. So each new page is connected to the previous one, forming a blockchain. Here's the cool part. Everyone in the network has a copy of the notebook, but there isn't a single person controlling it. That's why a blockchain is decentralized. No one, not even a government or the bank, controls it. And it's shared and verified by many computers worldwide. Let me tell you a quick story. Back in 2008, during the global financial crisis, people lost trust in the banks and even the government. And the transactions weren't always transparent. Then someone or a group called Satoshi Nakamoto came in and introduced Bitcoin and this revolutionary technology called blockchain. The idea was simple but powerful. What if we could record transaction in a way that everyone can verify, but no one can secretly change it? That's what blockchain solved. Trust without middlemen. If you ever sent money to someone and had to wait for bank hours or pay high fees, blockchain flips that on its head. It allows people to send money or anything of value directly, quickly, and secure without needing the bank to confirm it. Now, before you think this is all just about Bitcoin, hold on. Blockchain is much bigger. Blockchain is not Bitcoin. It's the technology behind Bitcoin. And do you know understanding this technology can actually open more doors than you ever thought? Whether you want to invest or build a career in the Web3, or even maybe you don't want to get lost when people talk about crypto at events. So keep watching because in the next few minutes, I'll show you how blockchain works step by step. Alright, so how exactly does it work? Let's say you want to send 1 Bitcoin to a friend. Of course, the first step is to create a transaction. You tell the network, hey, I want to send 1 Bitcoin to a friend, to this person. So this transaction goes to a pool of pending transactions. Think of it like a waiting room. Then a group of computers called nodes compete to verify the transaction using something called consensus. This is actually where the term mining comes in Bitcoin. So miners solve complex maths problem to prove that the transaction is valid. So once all the transactions are verified, they group together into a block. Now this block is added to the previous blocks to become a chain, and boom, everything is permanent. This record can't be changed, and everyone's copy of blockchain is updated instantly. It's like a digital receipt book that can't be edited or faked. Every page is signed, sealed, and shared across thousands of computers around the world. So why is this revolutionary? One, it removes the trust in people and puts the trust in maths and codes. You know, in traditional finance, you trust in the bank not to alter your balance, right? Or even the government not to print too much money. In blockchain, the rules are transparent. The system itself guarantees honesty. You can see every transaction, trace where every funds move, and verify that no one is cheating. That is why blockchain has expanded beyond money. It's now being used in supply chain, healthcare, voting, and even digital arts like NFTs. Here's a fun story. I once helped a small community in Kenya understand blockchain using the example of farming. I said, imagine you sell maize and every step from the seed to the market is recorded publicly. You'd know where your product came from, who handled it, and how much it was sold for. There would be no hidden cost or fake records. They all agreed because that's what blockchain is about. It builds trust through transparency. Now, not all blockchains are the same. There are three types of blockchain: public blockchain, private blockchain, and hybrid blockchain. Public blockchain, just like the name suggests, is public and open to everyone. It's like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Whereas for the private blockchain, it's not open to everyone and it's used by companies internally. Then there is this type of other blockchain, the hybrid blockchain. This one is a combination of both public and private. Here, selected organization share control. So now that you know there are the three types of blockchain, next time you hear someone say about blockchain, ask them which one. Are you still with me? Let me know in the comment section by writing the word blockchain. Because once you understand blockchain, everything else in the crypto becomes easy to understand. You know, coins, tokens, DeFi, NFTs, they all live on the blockchain. So once you understand it, you're good to go. In just a minute, I'll show you how this amazing technology, blockchain technology, gives birth to something even more fascinating, the smart contract. But first, let's recap what we have learned today. The first thing I'd like you to take home with is that blockchain is a digital public record of transactions. The second thing I want you to take home with is that each record is grouped into blocks, and then they are linked to each other in a chain. Now, and to the third thing that you're going home with is blockchain is decentralized. No one, entirely no one controls it. Next thing I want you to go home with is blockchain is transparent, secure, and nearly impossible to tamper with. The fifth and the most important thing is that blockchain is the foundation of everything in crypto. So now that you understand what blockchain is and how it works, you might be wondering, if blockchain can store transactions, can it also store rules, agreement, or even automate tasks? That exactly is what I'll explain in the next video of what is smart contract. I'll show you how blockchain turns codes into trustless agreement that automatically executes. So make sure to subscribe to the channel Crypto with Antoniette, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Until then, this is Antoniette, and we are making crypto make sense one lesson at a time.